This is the first batch, the second is baking. But I must show you now, I already have impatient ones waiting. Look how nicely soft and crispy it is, with a baking time of about 25 minutes. We start by activating the yeast. In a bowl, I put 35 grams of fresh yeast or 9 to 10 grams of dry yeast. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 heaped tablespoon of flour. Here I have 500 milliliters of warm water. I'll pour some here to activate the yeast. Mix and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes. In the mixing bowl, we put 900 grams of soft flour. From 1 kilogram, I keep 100 grams aside to use later when kneading and rolling out. Add 2 level tablespoons of salt. 1 heaped is too little, 2 heaped is too much. We add 2 level ones. Then add the activated yeast. The remaining 500 milliliters of water. And 50 milliliters of oil. First I'll mix everything with a wooden spoon, then knead the dough. If easier, you can do this by hand or use a mixer if you have one. When we've combined all ingredients like this, pour over 20-30 milliliters of oil. No need to be precise. Then continue kneading the dough. Shape the dough into a ball like this. Cover with a cloth and let rest 30 to 60 minutes. Depending on your time and how warm the room is. The risen dough I take out of the bowl onto the work surface and just knead it lightly like this, nothing special. Lift it up, add some flour, a little on top, a little underneath. Press lightly with hands. Make a rectangle, since we'll be rolling it out into a rectangle. Roll out the dough like this across the entire table length. Then spread with softened butter. You can use margarine too. Fifth video, 5th time it falls off. We need 250 grams of butter total. For this coating, I'm using about 175 to 200 grams. Not measuring precisely, but roughly. Since I'll coat again, needing much less for that coating. Now transfer like this. Take a tray, sprinkle with flour, then transfer the dough. Sprinkle some flour on top, cover with plastic wrap, and put in freezer for 15 to 20 minutes just to firm up the butter. Take dough out of fridge, place on table. Press lightly with hands like this. Spread it wider. Then turn it lengthwise like this. Then roll it out again. Up, down, left, right. You can also flip the dough. If rolling out like this is complicated, you can cut it in half. Now, when rolled out like this, spread thinly with remaining butter. That should do it. Now take any cutter and cut in half. That's why I said you can roll out from 2 pieces. You can use any fresh cheese. Then sprinkle on top. If the cheese isn't salty, feel free to add salt. Like this. Now fold. Same as I folded earlier. Just folding it narrower. Not as wide, now a bit narrower. Set aside. Do the same with this piece. Place both pieces like this, press down with hands. Then take any knife. Actually, this one's sharper. Take a knife and make diagonal cuts. After cutting, take a skewer stick. You can use something like this, then press lightly between. You can do like this or like this. Then with a sharp knife, you can dip it lightly in flour. Cut straight down like this. Let me try with the cutter. Maybe it works better. Seems like it does. Buy one of these tools at Chinese stores and use it for everything. Great for cleaning the whole table. Arrange on baking tray, cover with cloth and let rest about 20 to 30 minutes. When pastries have rested, beat 1 egg and brush them with it. You can also sprinkle with some seeds or sea salt. Then turn on oven to preheat to 200 degrees Celsius. Wait for oven to preheat, then bake the pastries. Pastries are baked. Bake them about 25 minutes. Let them cool slightly. Now I'll show you how they look, since I already have impatient ones waiting. Listen. Soft inside, crispy on top.